Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Starting with this video, I'll be creating a series of similar videos and I'll be talking about a very powerful tool by Microsoft. This series of video can help people who already work in the field of data analytics, data visualizations or business intelligence. Not only that, it will help students as well, because when I was doing my masters, we had to create several reports, and for that we had to do a lot of data collection. So you can just show up the result from the data collection, but if you want to go that extra mile and learn Power BI, then you can create some interactive dashboard and beautiful reports out of this data collection. This not only helps to upskill yourself, but it will also help you to ace in your academic sector.
Now let's get started with what is Power BI, why do we need Power BI, and how to install it, if there's any best way to install it, and finally about the Power BI pricing. So Power BI is a business analytics service that's provided by Microsoft, and it provides interactive visualizations. You can create reports and dashboards, and it also provides some business intelligence capabilities with a simple and interactive user interface. In the year 2020, it was the 13th consecutive year that Microsoft was awarded and positioned as a leader in Gartner 2020 Magic Quadrant. So Power BI has been really famous for its business intelligence capabilities. Power BI Desktop is also known as Power BI Free because it's a free desktop application. You can just install it right on your own computer and you can cohesively work with Power BI services. So you can do all the data analysis, you can use Power Query to transform your data, to do shaping and modeling of your data. Then once that's done, you can publish your report using the Power BI services. So Power BI service is a cloud-based service. It is hosted on the Azure Microsoft Cloud platform, so you can share all your dashboards and report inside or outside your organizations, and you can assign several roles for those as well. Here we'll see some of the major differences between these two. So in Power BI Desktop, you get to connect to 70 plus data sources. That's really a huge number. So with data sources, it means Excel or SS database, Active Directory to Azure Blob Storage and Cosmos DB. So there are multiple data sources that you can connect your Power BI Desktop with, and you can start shaping and modeling your data. Power BI Desktop also has Power Query. Power Query is a really powerful ETL tool that we can use. While talking about Power BI service, it has limited data sources and it's a web version. So it's easy to, just get started with. You just need to use the URL and you can just sign up and start working on creating dashboards. The important thing is, like, once you create your reports in Power BI Desktop, you cannot share it directly from the desktop. You need to publish it to your Power BI service, and through your Power BI service you have all those control of sharing your data, sharing all the reports and visualizations inside or outside your organization. So this is what a dashboard looks like. You can create it by combining different reports that you've created in Power BI Desktop. Here the most fun part that I feel is you can export it as PDF, or you can share it and you can embed it in your web application. If you have a website and you're looking for adding some analytic feature to it, then you can just connect your data source with Power BI Desktop and you can create these kind of visualizations. So you may or may not know, but there are actually two ways to install Power BI Desktop. One is from the Microsoft download page. If you just search for Power BI download, then the first link that you'll see is of this page, and you can just download it from there. Or the other way is to find it in your Microsoft Windows Store. Now we'll talk about what is the difference and which way is better. So with Microsoft download page, you need to install the updated version each month. So once you download it today, maybe another month there's a new update in Power BI desktop, but to install it and have the updated version, you need to do the process again, go to the website and download it. So there's a hassle of downloading using this, and you may miss out some important updates as well. But with the Microsoft Windows Store, it provides automatically updates, so you don't need to worry if there's any new version of Power BI desktop, if there's a new feature that they've added but you have missed. Moving on to the pricing, Power BI has 3 pricing plan. The Power BI Desktop, which is a free service to any single user, and it includes data cleaning and preparation capabilities. So if you're someone who is just looking to, prepare your data and create visualizations and publish it and share it with someone, then this can be a best option. Other is Power BI Pro. So it's $9.99 per month per user service. It includes data collaboration, data governance, and 360-degree real-time view. So it is for someone, or if you're an employer and you have a team of data analysts who are working in a shared data, then this can be a best option for you. And the other one is Power BI Premium. So the Power BI Premium starts with $4,995 a month per dedicated cloud compute and storage resource. Big companies like Walmart, Toyota, they have generated a lot of revenue through the utilization of Power BI. And I'm sure by now you want to get your hands on create these beautiful dashboards. In the next video, I'll be talking about how to create dashboards and reports in Power BI and how to share them.